Hello, welcome to our channel, Blue Lollipop. Let's get started. Today, we are going to learn about colors. What do you think about it? Are you excited to learn? Let's go. Which color is this? This color is red. Repeat. Red. Which color is this? This color is blue. Repeat. Blue. Which color is this? This color is yellow. Repeat. Yellow. Which color is this? This color is dark green. Repeat. Dark green. Which color is this? This color is light green. Repeat. Light green. Which color is this? This color is pink. Repeat. Pink. Which color is this? This color is purple. Repeat. Purple. Which color is this? This color is brown. Repeat. Brown. Which color is this? This color is white. Repeat. White. Which color is this? This color is black. Repeat. Black. Which color is this? This color is orange. Repeat. Orange. Which color is this? This color is gray. Repeat. Gray. We hope you enjoyed our video. See you soon. Bye bye.